Hey, first grade families, this is Miss Turner, and I have Miss McKee here with me, and we are going to show you how to do the fluency homework, okay? So each week you will get a new little packet, or you will use each new little packet. So this is week 1. This is fluency 1.1. So I am going to act like the parent, and Miss McKee is going to act like the student. So I am going to pull these apart. Miss McKee, as the student, gets this one. That's just the story. So she's going to take that. And then I am going to show you how to mark the one for the parent. Okay, so let's look at this. I am going to have a timer ready for 1 minute. And whenever Miss McKee is ready to start, then I will start following along. And I'm just going to put a line anytime she misses a word. So Miss McKee is going to read like a first grader might read, not like Miss McKee really reads. Okay, so whenever she's ready, I'm going to start the timer.
Anne was 7 years old. Her brother Tom was 9. They were both very excited. Today they were going to get a pet. They were going to get a puppy. Anne hoped their new puppy would like to chase balls. She wanted to play with it in the yard. She thought it would be fun to play chess with the puppy. Tom hopped.
Okay, that is where we stop. So you can see I'm going to put a little bracket here to show that is where she got to today. And then I can see she finished this row, had 62. That one made 63. So we went past 63 words. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that I crossed out because she didn't feel comfortable with reading it and read it incorrectly. Okay, so then I do 63 minus 6, and that would be 57. Then night 2, I would do it again, do the same thing, use a different color pen, and night 3, again here, I would record those 3 times, those 3 numbers. So here I'm going to put 57, and then tomorrow if I do it with red pen, maybe I would get, maybe she would get 60 this time, and maybe the third time she does it, she gets 65. Okay, and I would say, oh, there was the best one, and so I'm going to record that one on the back here. There we go to 65, and I would color in on the first one for 65. Okay, so that is how this works. Have fun with it. Watch your student grow. Let the students see themselves grow as we continue to become more powerful readers. Have fun.